doors they open and close. Unloading the boxes, then off he goes. Can you hear those great vibrations? It's the digger digging these foundations. Dig, 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 a shovel and a scoop. The arm swings around with a swoop, swoop, swoop. So the arm on the digger goes dig, dig, dig. Yeah, the arm on the digger goes dig, dig, dig.
I'm digging these rhymes, this tune is big.
Dig, 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 mix, 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 move and shake and hammer and fix. Now it's time to clear some room. Let's push this dirt with the vroom, vroom, vroom. Billy will push this into place. He's a strong bulldozer.
Yeah, rest my case.
The bulldozer goes push, push, push. Yeah, the bulldozer goes brum, brum, brum.
I'm like a really, 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 really strong broom.
It's CJ, the cement mixing DJ. See her mixing, let's see it on replay. The tank on the mixer goes mix, mix, mix. The cement in the mixer is wet, wet, wet. You shake it and pour it and watch it set. Dig, 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 mix, 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 move and shake and hammer and fix. 1, 2, 3, come and build with me. The construction site is the place to be. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm is the greatest band that you will ever know. You can stomp your feet to the farmland beat, or you can bop your head or jump around instead. If you want to see the greatest show, old MacDonald's farm is where to go. Letty Lamb on the drum, she's laying this beat.
Bop along to my rhythm and hear me bleat. Ba, 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 ba. Clap your hands. Check this beat, it's real sweet.
If you want to see the greatest show, old MacDonald's farm is where to go. Dylan Duck on guitar, he's winding it back.
I'm strumming and rocking, can you hear me quack? Quack, 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 quack. I'll play a casual solo in the middle of this track.
If you wanna see the greatest show, old MacDonald's farm is where to go. We got Pablo the pig on the piano, the best piano playing pig on this whole show.
Oink, 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 oink. I'm a master of the keys, watch my hooves go.
I know what you're thinking, how can you play with hooves?
Well, I'm super duper speedy when I get in the groove.
If you wanna see the greatest show, old MacDonald's farm is where to go. Carlos the calf on the double bass, he's bopping and a grooving all over this place with a
moo, 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 moo. Hey, watch me play bass at this crazy pace.
Introducing the best band in LBB land. It's the Farmland Quartet. Letty the Lamb,
Ba, ba, ba.
Dylan the Duck,
Quack, quack, quack.
Pablo the Pig,
Oink, oink, oink.
Carlos the Calf.
Moo, moo, moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm is the greatest band that you will ever know. I'm here to help you get to school on time. And on our way we're gonna bust a rhyme. My wheels are turning, so let's feel the groove. Come on boys and girls, let's get up and move. Quickly now because it's time to go. I'll teach you all of the rhymes that I know. I'm sorry, you probably want to know my name. I'm Buster, the bus, and rhyming's my game. Driving through town, let's see what we can rhyme. How many different rhyming words can you rap on a beat in time? Can you see that ball? It looks really small. I'm gonna bounce it against that really tall wall. Bounce it and watch it fall. Bouncing a small ball on a tall wall. Yeah, okay, are you ready? Yeah, it's time to rhyme. 1, 2, 3. Look there, it's a tree. And a cute flying buzzy little bee. Tree rhymes with bee. What other rhymes can you see? Haha, hey look now, there are 3. Flying so high above me. Tree, B, C, 3. Me, I'm on a rhyming spree. Driving through town, let's see what we can run. How many different rhymes counting to 10 is easy when you can rhyme. My wheels are turning, I think it's time. Yeah, to get on board with the numbers rhyme. Let's go. 1, 2, the sky is so blue. 3, 4, open my door. 5, 6, oh no, I need a quick fix. 7, 8, are my wheels on straight? 9, 10, let's rhyme again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 1 to 10. I'm in my flow, I'm rhyming 1 to 10. Let's learn the numbers, can you shout them out again? Counting is easy when you're having so much fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good, take it from the top with 1. That was great, everyone. Are you ready to try it again? Here we go.
1, 2,
The sky is so blue.
3, 4.
Open my door. 5, 6, oh no, I need a quick fix. 7, 8, are my wheels on straight? 9, 10, let's rhyme again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 1 to 10. I'm in my flow, I'm rhyming 1 to 10. Let's learn the numbers, can you shout them out again? Counting is easy when you're having so much fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good, take it from the top with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you've learnt your 1 to 10. Come back soon to rhyme again. Counting raps are so much fun. Just remember to start with 1.
My wheels don't touch the ground when I fly at the speed of sound. My costume's a great disguise, and I've got laser eye. With my strength and might, it's best to do what's right. I'm a superhero, I must save the day. I can't let the bad guy get away. Super Buster, flying through the air. Super Buster, I'll always be there. If a friend's in trouble, I'm there to save the day. Yes, I'm Super Buster, I'm here to help, hooray! When your friend's in trouble, there's only one thing to do. You've got to be a hero who's brave, bold and true. Say no to bullies, 'cause bullying isn't fun. So be a hero and save everyone. Super Buster, flying through the air. Super Buster, I'll always be there. If a friend's in trouble, I'm there to save the day. Yes, I'm Super Buster, I'm here to help, hooray! When you're super strong, use it for right, not wrong. When your friends are stuck, help them out the muck. Without a cape or laser eyes, you may be surprised that you can be a hero any day of your life. Super Buster, flying through the air. Super Buster, I'll always be there. If a friend's in trouble, I'm there to save the day. Yes, I'm Super Buster, I'm here to help, hooray! Buster the Bus here. Let's sing about me. With a 1, 2, 3, B-U-S-T-E-R. Hop on board and I'll take you far. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. I've got 4 wheels, yeah, that's the deal. 1 more makes 5 to help me drive, alright. Here are my wipers to keep things clean. Swish, swish, swish. You know what I mean. The wheels go round and round, all through the town. The doors I've got, yeah, they open a lot, and then they shut. Hey, let's take a shortcut. We got the babies in the back, yeah? With the where, beeping my horn, driving near and far. Let's go! The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. My wheels, my wipers, my doors, my horn. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town, all through the town. Let's find out, which of them do we call out? Nino, emergency. Hello? Which special service will it be? She's Amber, and she's your pick. If you're hurt or feeling sick, an ambulance is what you need. She'll be on her way at lightning speed. Nino, off we go. Amber is a real pro, so when an ambulance is what you need, she'll be on her way at lightning speed. Nino, emergency. Which special service will it be? If you have a problem, let's find out, which of them do we call out? Nino, emergency. A fire truck keeps things cool, shiny and red, kicking it old school. So if you see things up in flames, call for Ashley, 'cause that's her name. Nino, off we go. Ashley is a real pro, putting out fires all over town, yeah, shooting water up and down. Nino, emergency. Which special service will it be? If you have a problem, let's find out, which of them do we call out? Nino, emergency. What about robbers, bandits and crooks? Call him up and he'll take a look. They call him Otis and he'll protect you, 'cause he's the police and that's what they do. Nino, off we go. Otis is a real pro. If you need someone to protect you, call the police, 'cause that's what they do. Nino, emergency. Which special service will it be? If you have a problem, let's find out, which of them do we call out? Nino, emergency. Hello? Which special service will it be?
What's your favourite colour? I'd really like to know. Red, blue? Oh wait, of course, it's got to be yellow. To find your favourite colour, pick up a paintbrush and sing with me. Let's learn the primary colours. Red, blue, yellow, 1, 2, 3. Firstly, let's rap about red. Red, this colour tells me to stop. A cupcake with the red cherry on top. I'm gonna say I like this colour a lot. Red fire engine, great shot. What's your favourite colour? The colour of a sweet cherry. There's 3 primary colours. Red, blue, yellow, 1, 2, 3. That was great, everyone. What's our second primary colour? Blue. Can you tell me what's blue? The sky and the sea will give you a clue. Hey, Terry, what colour are you?
Wait a minute. I'm blue too.
What's your favourite colour? Blue's pretty cool to me. I'm rocking these primary colours. Red, blue, yellow, 1, 2, 3. Here comes colour number 3. Yellow. I've seen this one before. Like a baby tick or this big yellow door. Wait a minute, let me look at yellow once more. Yeah, this is my favourite for sure. Yellow is my favourite. Yellow it has to be. Yellow makes me happy, and I'm yellow.
primary colours. 1, 2, 3.
We've